Yeah, so this has to be the one. Hey guys, how's it going? Justin here from Waltz, and today we're talking about the Q600C, which is the 2023 version of the beloved Q600B. It's a 3.1.2 channel soundbar, and in this video we're going to cover everything from design, connectivity, and the audio. Now, in terms of design, I do like the way that Samsung Q-level soundbars are designed. They're usually sharp around the edges, and the grill is pretty consistent across all edges. It doesn't feel super boxy or super cheap. Things like the buttons on the top have a nice touch, and the angled edges is mostly what makes me feel this way. As far as the subwoofer, it's nothing super special, but it is a little bit smaller, so you're able to hide it easily. You could put it in a corner or behind a couch, or even next to your entertainment center if you want to put it on the side that less people sit on. It's very easy to conceal. Now, the Q600C is a cool soundbar because it comes with features like Q-Symphony. Now, what Q-Symphony is it takes the audio from your TV and your soundbar and combines it so that it gives you even more realistic experience. This only works with certain Samsung QLED TVs, so you have to make sure that you're buying an updated model. We did actually do a video on Q-Symphony and how to set it up, so if you want to take a look at that, you're more than welcome to. And to do that, you're going to want to connect it to an HDMI ARC cable or an optical. It has USB ports as well, but not aux, so if you want to listen to music, you're going to have to use Bluetooth. Or through the TV, if you have like YouTube Music or Spotify or something that's playing on the TV. Which also, if we're talking about controls and all that fun stuff, I should mention that the Q600C does come with a soundbar remote, which is cool because you can actually, adjust the sound modes and the sound profiles, all that kind of fun stuff. You have the power of a remote, which you don't get with everything. If you guys are enjoying the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It really does help me out. Now, as far as size and dimensions, the subwoofer is going to come in with a width of 7.2 inches, a height of 13.5 inches, and a depth of 11.6 inches. So like I said, not too big. And on the soundbar side of things, it's going to have a width of 40 inches, a height of 2.2 inches, and a depth of 4.1 inches. And the thing I want to highlight here is, yes, it's wide. If you're going to fit it on an entertainment center, it's probably going to have to be on top, but the depth is important because depending on what kind of TV you have and what stand, having that 2-inch depth is good because it allows you to kind of see your TV and not be blocked by the soundbar. And the reason I make that clear is that some soundbars just block the TV and you don't know until you get it up there. Now, in terms of audio, the most important thing that sets this soundbar apart from other soundbars is the fact that it's a 3.1.2 channel soundbar. What does that mean? Well, what it means is you're gonna get a front left, a front right, a center channel, a subwoofer, which is the 0.1, and then the 0.2 at the end is the height speakers. Outside of the subwoofer, it has a total of 9 speakers, but it makes up all those channels, and it's all on the soundbar. The height speakers are going to bounce audio off the ceiling and land behind you to simulate a Dolby Atmos type of environment. It's not perfect, but for most people, it'll do. Also, you get that experience without having to have actual rears. Now, you can buy Samsung soundbars that do have dedicated rears, but sometimes, running power to those or just your overall setup is an issue. So, having the 2 height channels in a soundbar is very important. It also has some important modes like adaptive sound mode, which is good for voices, and Game Pro, which if you're a gamer and you game a lot, that's going to help the game sound better as well. And as far as quality, I almost forgot, it does do Dolby Atmos, Dolby True HD, Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby Matte, which is Atmos Music, and DTS-X and DTS 5.1. And the Dolby Matte is new, and I think that's pretty cool. Atmos Music is kind of making its round in the world right now, and I like listening to it personally, but if you haven't gotten the chance, you will with this soundbar. Now, I think that's just about everything that I want to cover with the Q600C, and we are going to do a sound test, so we'll wrap up the video there. If you're looking for a TV recommendation, we have tons of videos on tons of different Samsung models, but if you're looking at the Q600C, I'd be looking at a Q60 to Q80 TV. You can watch all those videos. I'll link some down in the description for you. And if you guys already have the 600C, please share your experience down in the comment section for people to see. If not, what do you guys think about it so far? And, as always, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. If this is a product that you're interested in, make sure to email me at youtube@waltz so I can get you a special YouTube discount. If you haven't already, subscribe for more videos like these, and we'll see you in the next one.